All right, today's workout is going to be a 5-minute workout. We're going to work upper body, lower body. Each move will be done for only 5 minutes, so you're going to do only 5 exercises, all right? You ready to rock? All right, I'm going to hit that reset timer. Grab your dumbbells. We're going to start off with arm curls with leg raises. Here we go. 2 and 1. Now take your time. Every time I'm lifting up, I'm pulling my shoulders back, and I'm also tightening up those abdominal muscles. If your weights are too light, you will not feel the challenge, all right? So make sure you have some weights that is challenging enough for your muscles to work in the short time. There it is. The next move is going to be knee lifts, just like this, but I'm going to put the weights on the top of the legs. We have 15 seconds left. Come on, keep your chest up, stomach tight. Oh yeah, that's starting to burn already. All right, weights here. Let the legs do the lifting, and the hands is only holding the weight. Like I said, if your weights is really light, you're not going to get stronger. You're not going to get toned the way you want to get toned. A lot of people say, oh, lift lighter weights to get toned. No, lift heavier weights so you can burn more of those calories, increase your bone density, right, as you're getting stronger. Come on. Don't use your hands, your arms, to lift the weights up. Let your legs do the lifting. Only the legs. Woo. There it is. You got this. We have 10 seconds. We're going to go to pass-throughs. You'll see what I'm going to do in the meantime. If you don't know it, you'll catch up to it. 3, 2, and 1. So look, I'm going through, up. If this is a new one for you, then it might take a little time to get it. But you will get it. You will see it. That's right. Breathe. Don't be afraid to breathe. We're doing great. Keep on going. Let me fix my microphone. Keep it going. Don't stop. Do not stop. Don't stop, because I'm going to get back into it. Good. Good, and time. Beautiful. I have the weights here. I'm coming in and up. I'm not going all the way up. I'm doing a short range motion, okay? Go to your pace. What I'm doing here is keeping the tension on the muscles the whole time. Keep your stomach locked in. Boom. We're almost there. 20 seconds. Oh, this is starting to burn a lot. If the weights get really heavy, you can put the weights down and do the same exact thing. There it is. 3 seconds. We have the last exercise coming up. It's going to be your bent over rows. Good. Scoot to the edge of that chair. Lean forward. And I want you to pull up. You can have your feet together. You can have the weights to the side. You can bring them under the legs, palms facing to the back of the room. Or you can have the palms facing inwards. And you could mix it up. You can go palms in, palms to the back. I'm mixing mine up. It's the last exercise for the day. Come on, squeeze your chest muscles. Squeeze. Nice and tight. There you go. You got this. Keep on powerful. Stay in the game. Stay in the game. There it is. Oh, I hear my class coming in. All the ladies coming in. If you hear that ding ding, that's that Zoom. Woo. 10 seconds, then we're done. Come on, don't stop. Come on, keep on squeezing. Big squeeze. 5, 3, 2, and it's done. That's right. Great work. Remember, keep on pushing your body. Don't stop. You always have more. Always have more. This is Donovan Green from chairworkouts.com telling you that your body is just a body until you make it a temple. Later.